Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, on your iPhone, using the iPhone 17, should be able to use it across iPhones. I'll be showing you how to use your Memojis, which is basically an avatar or an emoji, or basically your augmented feature using your camera and some animated characters. To do it, you're gonna find your text, which is Apple's default text. You're gonna open any text at all. It doesn't really matter, a new one, whatever. And of course, next, what you're gonna do guys is you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna hit on the plus, then you're gonna scroll down. You should see Memojis, and of course it's called Memojis. That's Memoji. Go ahead and tap, and from here, as you can see, this is the Memoji. All right, so what's gonna happen here is that this is and we can extend it a bit, so this is the full-on Memoji. All right, so this is the full-on Memoji, and of course it's a very cool feature. In case you never know of it, you can design a custom character here. It's using your front-facing camera. As you can see from the light, you have different characters. This is the character, my default character here, which you can edit. You can record a video here to send, and of course your stuff you can do, you can go ahead and edit the current character. You can duplicate him or delete him. So like if you want to go ahead and edit him but you want to keep the original, hit duplicate, then you'll have two of him and then you can edit one. All right, so you get the idea. These are the defaults. There's a mouse, there's an octopus, there's a cow, and you get the ideas, and it watches the movement of your mouth. For example, if I open my mouth, so you get the idea, you can actually speak and record a video with it speaking. There's a shark, and you get the idea. There's this monkey here, there's a fox, and of course there's a here another bird. So you see it tracks your face. There's a panda. All right, so we can go back to the default, and as you can see here, guys, it works flawlessly. You can find your favorite and you can see it here. So all the characters are there, and you can actually use this on your iPhones, and you can send these as a message, you can record, and you can have this as an animation. It tracks head motion, movement, and even closing open the eyes and your subtle gestures. All right, so this is very cool. And of course, once you're finished, you can send it in the message and you can hit send, and of course you can have that as a feature there guys. So definitely check that out. It's a cool feature you may not know of in your iPhone 17s and other iPhones. Hope that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.